It's, you know, 2/3 of the world is covered by water and the rest is covered by you, Dan Ives. There's a lot of stocks in your universe that you cover, but Tesla's certainly right up there. What is it about the stock right now and the company that is giving you so much bullishness?
Yeah, I think what's happening, it's a sum of the parts. I'd almost call it an AWS moment, almost an Apple services moment for Tesla. Because what's starting to happen now is that the 313 area code, after years of resisting, they recognize they need Tesla. And I think when you look at the supercharger perspective, from a revenue perspective, you go out 2025, GM Ford, they get 15% share. You're looking now an incremental $3 billion, $4 billion a year of revenue that was not there. And I think what's starting to happen right now for Tesla, from batteries to supercharger to storage, the sum of the parts thesis is now starting, I believe, in the early stages to play out with investors. That's really what's starting to happen now with the stock, in my opinion.
There is another theory that, yeah, he got them on the network and he got them on the technology, but that design, they have 100 years of refreshing designs with high frequency, and in the end, that's going to mean better unit sales for the legacies than perhaps the Teslas. What do you think? Yeah,
my view is that Musk needs GM and Ford actually be successful for the broader EV vision in terms of just adoption in the United States.
Move the adoption curve higher.
And it's the jobs thesis, in other words, like from Apple, and I think that's really what's starting to play. And that's why right now you're seeing Farley and Mary ultimately partner with Musk, because I believe this is just the first step. It's starting with superchargers. And ultimately, I think next step could be batteries technology. And I think that's the golden goose right now, is that they've built the castle, waiting for others to call. Farley called, Mary called. And I think it's just the start of what I view, especially with demand I view it stable in terms of, you know, we saw coming out of our Asia checks being in Asia the last few weeks. Margins, I think now are starting to trough out the next 1 to 2 quarters. And I think that's why investors right now are really starting to look at this in a different story.
So explain to our viewers just the revenue opportunity from these charging stations. How does Tesla make money from them? What are other opportunities that it has from all these cars stopping at these stations?
Sure. So 12,000 supercharger network. And when you start to think about it, they're really the only one. That's why range anxiety, why would a Jim, a Dave, a Sarah not buy an actual technology? Why would they not buy EVs? It's because of range anxiety. So now supercharger, Tesla has it. They basically they make per charge. If now from a revenue perspective, services, we think by 2024, it's about $10 billion that we're talking about annually revenue, margins much higher than autos. So that's almost like software-like margins. Now, GM Ford, you get, let's call it 1 million cars on that network. That's incremental in the billions, 2, 3, 4 billion per year that was not there on an annuity. And I think that's why what you're starting, the reason I call it an AWS moment is I think for many years, AWS not really valued from an Amazon.
Right.
Now all of a sudden,
you can throw a pretty high multiple on a recurring revenue stream like that, right?
Apple services, okay, I'll assign $100 billion. You go back years ago, today, we think it's worth $1.4 trillion. So that's why I view it in terms of the reason I believe Musk is playing chess and others are playing checkers, you're now starting to see it play out.